Yo guys, what is up? It's Chandler Trades here, and today we are back with another video. This is day 9 of day trading futures. Um, Today was probably one of my most emotional trades ever. Also, I was in this trade for 1 whole hour after I took one loss. Let's talk about the loss. Let's talk about the trade that smacked TP for like a 3-to-1. Yeah, so this is the trade we took right here. If everything loads, you can see my exact executions here. Why did I take this trade? Because we got an SMT at this low. I thought we were going to go short here out of this 30-minute because we were respecting on ES this 30-minute gap here. So we were respecting that 30-minute gap. We got a 15-minute inverse that probably faked everybody out, me included. I was just trying to take it back down to, on the hourly, it looked like ES wanted these lows down here. I was like, all right, ES definitely wants these lows today. So that 30-minute fair value gap was kind of like what I was looking for. Also with NQ having this hourly above, I was looking that I could even take shorts there, depending how market opened. But it ended up doing something differently. My buddy Hexile talked about it, and it ended up happening. We just came down here, swept 930 low right there, and then we came up here and got this 5-minute inversion. After that, I still was looking. I wanted to be very cautious about this 30-minute gap on ES, even though we did inverse that 5-minute, higher time frame. 30-minute, we were coming up to a 30-minute bearish gap, and I didn't want to get myself screwed out. But I did fall for that first 15-minute inversion right here. I don't know how the fuck so many people got faked out right here. But yeah, me included. So my first trade I took was after I took shorts right after this 15-minute got inverse on NQ. Probably not even the 15-minute. I actually think I waited for like the 10-minute to inverse right here. Because I was like, I'm not going to wait for the 10-minute because I was so confident these low draws were going to get taken out. Just to end up respecting this 15-minute. Not really respecting it, but we got this SMT, internal SMT at this low. And then I seen that 1-minute inversion with all that LR above. I also seen London high. I believe that, more of this LR would get taken out. Also, this hourly unfilled we had above that I could see shorts from as well. I believe that we'll come back down and retest those lows. We got all this LR now. But I was going to say, yeah, right after this inversion here, I took my second trade, banks. I entered right after this candle closure to that inverse. And we wrote it. I made sure on ES that we inversed it too. We inversed it with that candle as well. Entered off the minute that candle closed off that third candle. Entry here, and we took it all the way up to that unfilled hourly. All this LR was just, dude, I was going break even though like, yeah, we came up to this high, right? I didn't go break even there. Oh wait, sorry. Let me eye this out again. Yeah, I kept going break even though we haven't taken out a significant high. Once I seen us finally sweep this high inside this fair value gap, I went to break even. And you can see here that it did end up playing out. That's why it's so important to know what significant highs are, because that's where you want to go break even at. And that's what we did, and that's how we got rewarded with this trade. I was afraid of this that we're getting right now. I was thinking, maybe we might end up respecting this 30-minute on ES like how we are now, and we might just start coming down now to take out these lows. I would have completely got screwed over on my second trade as well. So, the minute we broke this high, break even, rally to TP to that unfilled hourly on NQ right here. So I took my trade straight up to this 1 hour, and then obviously I'm still bullish, high time frame. So I'm gonna assume that we're gonna come down for these lows now right here. These lows, this low here, and continue this downtrend on the higher time frame. So yeah, that was my emotional trade. I was in this trade for literally 1 hour. I got stuck in like all this chop this morning. Right after we got clean displacement, I almost hit full TP right here. I was crying. It came all the way back down. I kept my stop loss here because we never took out a significant high. Like to go to the 15-minute, we never took out this high. Now, if we would have taken out this high, I would have went to break even. But the fact that we didn't take out this high inside of this hourly fair value gap, kind of led me see now that we swept this major high. You can see inside of this hourly that now we're getting that displacement lower. So I always like to go break even once a significant high is taken out, and then go break even, because all the rest is noise. I learned that from PB Trading. Shout out Patty. But that's it for the trading recap. Again, I'm posting like a 2-hour long video of my trading recap because It was just such a long video. But with that being said, you know, we got rewarded yesterday. We went break even at the wrong time. We didn't put it at a major low, causing us to go into a break even trade and then it rallying all the way to TP yesterday. So if you guys want to go watch that video, you can watch a previous trading recap and seeing how you can actually use these major lows to take your break evens at. But don't pick the wrong ones because you'll get break even and then it'll rally to your TP. It's just how it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, that's today's trading recap. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I'm not trading tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna end the week where it's at now. Let's just see on Forex Orders, Forex Factory, what tomorrow is. Yeah, we have a no news tomorrow, so we're just gonna take tomorrow off. So tomorrow's a no trading day. I'm not gonna bother making a post. I will see you guys on Monday next week. Let's see if we have news Monday, because that's gonna tell me if I'm gonna see you guys Monday or not. No news Monday. All right, well, I will see you guys Tuesday. We are not gonna be trading Monday. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, I'm gonna say it again. You guys have a great Thursday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys Tuesday. Peace out.